Hello, everybody. Dr. Bridges here. Welcome to Introduction to Business, Fall 2020. I know we have a lot going on in the world, but we're going to have a great semester. And this video will help you to get through the online class. If this is your very first time taking an online class, I get it. You may be very nervous. Take a deep breath. Relax. Okay? Everything will be fine. And I'll show you how to be able to find what you need in this class. I'm going to make the video very short. I'll be talking with you guys the very first week of the class, so don't worry if the video is too short and you have a lot of questions. This is just to kind of give you an idea of what you want to do the very first day to be able to find the information in the class. First thing you want to do is hit the orientation button. And it'll say start here. You'll click that. You will see a video, this video here, where it says click here for video introduction. Okay, so that's where the video that you're watching right now will be. And then you'll see all of the information that we have here. The start here button is the same that I mentioned up at the home. The syllabus is basically your contract for the class. And if you don't know what a syllabus is, it's essentially the outline and course schedule, all the details. You need to read through that in detail. And there's also a quiz on that. Okay? And other links here. Okay, you can read the rest of the links. I'm not going to go through those. You can read those. The most important one in the center here is connect. So how our semester works is that Canvas is basically the starting point for how you log into the class. You log into the class through the syllabus, and I'll show you that here in a second. But you do most of your work, the assignments, you turn everything in Connect. So don't let that be confusing. Don't let that disrupt you. You just start in Canvas, and you submit in Connect. So start in Canvas, submit in Connect. Okay? So what you want to do to start off in the class, like I said, start here is where you would begin and go through all of the information that's in the start here section in the orientation. You're going to go through all this information here, okay, and just read through it, read through the policies, the course schedule, etc. Okay. Then what you'll want to do is I'm going to try to have a link over here for Connect for you to be able to find this even simpler than this. All right, but then the next thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go into where it says go to Connect. Okay, so you're going to go to Connect, click this link, okay, and then log into the class. All right, and so I'm going to do a video the very first week of class describing how to do this and describing how to get Connect all set up. You need to purchase the textbook, and with the textbook you'll get a access code. And so hopefully you're getting all the information from the college on textbook information, etc., etc. But that is how you will get into the class. You hit the Connect, go to Connect, and you'll log into the class. Okay, so basically the class is going to be pretty much all in Connect, and you'll see this module 1. You will not see other modules. I was thinking about this to do modules throughout the whole semester, but once you learn that you are going to do all of your assignments in Connect, there's no need to have a bunch of modules. Okay, so basically every week you'll complete a homework assignment, and you'll have pretty much all of your work in Connect. Okay? That's the most important thing that you really need to understand for the beginning week of the class. The only other thing I'll tell you here is that the file section is where a lot of the details in terms of course projects, etc., are found. So you'll definitely want to be able to click the files section and go through all of the information for the class projects, the syllabus, the exam information, the study guides, and such in there. Okay, so Again, the very first week of class, the very first day of class, you just hit start here, just to go back to it again, and then you'll hit the introduction to business link, or you can do the video because you're going to see this video, okay? And then you're going to want to click the connect login, okay? Connect login, and click that login to be able to log into Connect, because that's where you're going to do mostly all of your work. I'm going to meet with you guys the very first week of class through a Zoom session. And in the Zoom session, we'll go over all the details on how to be able to log in to the class, weekly assignments, what I'm expecting. There's a lot of information for that very first class. There's not going to be attendance necessarily in the class because the class is online, but there are participation points, and participation points are basically a very significant part of the class. So if you're not getting those points, you're going to be in a bad spot, okay, at the end of the semester. So please pay attention to the Zoom schedule when I send the announcements, and you'll get that through your email, okay, to be able to know when the Zoom session will be, and you'll log into the Zoom session, and we'll go through all of the details there. Okay, so pretty much that is it for the very first week of class. Those are the steps that you'll want to take to be able to log in and do the introduction type of things for the class. All right, again, Dr. Bridges here. Just wanted to go over a few basic things and then look forward to meeting you guys all in person on Zoom. All right, welcome to Introduction to Business Fall 2020.